In this video, I'm going to demonstrate a very simple technique or tantric trick that can be used as a meditative tool to clearly see and experience that the landscape of all the visual objects is appearing within the same space of consciousness as thoughts and imaginings. So it's very simple. We take an image in our imagination of a triangle. We see the triangle appearing as that thought. And notice such a thought is appearing within the space of consciousness. Now, feel or experience that all around that image of a triangle is the space of consciousness. And now see that the only substance to that image of a triangle is consciousness. Consciousness is vibrating within itself as the appearance of the triangle. Now, see this image of a triangle and project that image onto the wall of the landscape. Visualize that triangle on the wall in the landscape. Or if you're outside, visualize that triangle in the sky. And see that the visualization of the triangle and the perception of the landscape coexist, that they are together and therefore connected. The triangle, which is a visualization in consciousness, is connected to the perception of the landscape. And all there is to the landscape is a visual perception. There's no physical landscape made of matter that we're validating in our experience that is independent of visual perception. There is only visual perception, which is appearing as a landscape. So we have this visualization of a triangle superimposed upon this visual perception of the landscape on the wall, in the sky, on the grass, on the carpet, around our friend's face. See that this triangle and the landscape are together. To be together, they must be connected experientially. We are experiencing the visualization of a triangle within consciousness, made of consciousness, and we are experiencing the landscape, the wall, the sky, whatever, within the same experience. There is one experience present now that includes the triangle and the landscape. So that oneness of experience, the one experience present now, intimates the fact that there is only one space-like medium present in which this triangle is appearing as a visualization and the landscape is appearing as a perception. So understanding and experiencing that the triangle is within consciousness and is made of consciousness and is the ultimate space-like medium in which this triangle is appearing. And the fact that this perception of the wall, the landscape, the sky is appearing within the same space-like medium as the triangle. We marry these facts together and see that they point to the reality of consciousness, this one consciousness hearing these words right now, which is the space-like medium in which this visualization of a triangle and the landscape are appearing. So this triangle, which represents all thought, because all thoughts appear just like this triangle, is appearing within consciousness and is made of consciousness. And this landscape is appearing within consciousness and is made of consciousness. So the substance of thought is the same substance as this landscape. So all there is to our visual perceptions is consciousness. And see that the substance of thought is not solid, doesn't have any density, doesn't have any weight. It's not physical. It's transparent, empty of objective qualities. And so the same is true of this landscape. This landscape does not have any solidity to its substance, no density to its substance, no weight to its substance. It is utterly transparent, empty. And so the landscape flickers with a quality of dreaminess or fluidity. It is not made of matter. It is made of consciousness. So play with this. Use any visualizations that you feel are fun and keep tasting this unity, this one substance as consciousness, as yourself, and see that you, this consciousness, are the only substance present as the world, as the cosmos.